of our land, bless me with a child.
You're asking for this. Remember the consequences.
The day is fast approaching. I can't believe it. I made this huge mistake. I should have waited.
You can't tell me, Ugoma, what happened to her? After all the warnings I gave you to wait on God, you went to the menu.
My husband, please. I'm so sorry.
Stop scrolling. Most people think you need expensive tools like Grok to create AI videos. But what if I told you, you don't need it at all? Today, I'm showing you the free method nobody is talking about. Now, let's dive in.
First thing first, all you have to do is to go to your browser and search for opal.google. Alright? Now when you type opal.google, it's going to bring you to this interface. Okay? So you're going to click on the sign icon and sign up with your preferred Google account. When you sign in, click on sign in again. Then you're going to click on select all. Scroll down and select continue. Scroll down and select continue. Now it has brought me to this interface. Okay. Now this is how the interface looks like. You can do a lot of things here. You can do a lot of things using this AI tool. As you can see, there are a whole lot. All right, so this is not why we are here. The next thing I'm going to do is click on create new. Now when you click on create new, you are going to see user input, generate output, add assets. All right, so you're going to click on generate. Now clicking on generate is going to bring you to this interface. All right, so by the right hand side, you're going to see generate. You're going to see agents. So click on agents. Now I see agents. You're going to see Gemini 3 Flash, Gemini 3.1 Pro, Nano Banana Pro, Audio LM, then View and Lyra. So click on View. When you click on View, then you're going to click on advanced settings. All right, click on advanced settings. So this advanced settings comprises of the model version you want to choose and your aspect ratio, as you can see. So I'm going to click on View 3 and click on View 3.1. All right, so any model of your choice that you prefer, you can choose it. So I choose View 3.1 Lite. All right, now I'm going to also leave this using 16:9. So if you want 9:16, you can go ahead with it. All right. Okay, now the next thing you're going to do, this is where you're going to paste your prompts. This is for text to video. All right, this is for text to video. So I'm going to paste my prompts here. So after pasting my prompts, now you'll be wondering where is the option or on where to hit generate. As you can see, there is no option for generate here. So I'm going to click on preview. Now once you are done pressing your prompts and you click on this preview, it's going to bring you to this interface. It's going to display something like this. So what you have to do is to click on start, and it will automatically start generating your video for you. As you can see, it is very fast. It's generating the video. Okay, as you can see, the video is almost ready. It's loading. So you're going to wait until it's done loading. And the best part, it is very, very fast. It is very, very fast. Now, this is not unlimited. All right, so I'm going to show you that. I'm going to show this to you because in my previous video, a lot were complaining that it was not unlimited. I'm not supposed to write unlimited, this and that. Now, this is not unlimited. You can generate a limit of 10 videos a day, 10 to 12 videos a day. All right, so the video is ready. So the next thing to do now is to click here. You see these three dots, click on it and download. All right, so if you want to see the full view, just tap on the app and it's going to display the full view. Click here.
Gods of our land, bless me with a child.
You're asking for this. Remember the consequences. All right, can you see how beautiful it is? This is cinematic. All right, now let's move over to editor as well. Okay, now if you want to delete the previous video that was displayed, if you want to delete your previous prompt, all you need to do is to click here, just click on the boss, click on the boss right here. As you can see, I just click on it and the previous prompt which I typed here was displayed here. Okay, so you can just highlight and repaste your prompts. Now I went ahead to paste my prompts. This is the next prompt which I paste. Remember, if your step button, this is the step button. Okay, let's look and preview. This is preview, this is console, this is step. This step button actually means where you can paste your prompts. If you are done generating your video, just tap on this step button. Okay, your previous prompt will be displayed here. Then you can highlight it and copy. You can highlight it and repaste your prompt, a new prompt. All right, or if this step button is not displayed on your screen, all you have to do is to tap here. If you tap here, your prompt will be displayed here. I believe you understand. So I've already pasted my prompts. Okay, this is the new prompt which I pasted here. Now what I'm going to do next is to click and select your prompts. So I'm going to click on AI agents and this. All right, everything is here. Now this has reflected here. Make sure yours reflect here. Make sure yours reflect here. And once you upload your prompts, okay, once you click on generate, you're going to see your previous video. Your previous video will be displayed here. Okay, so don't worry about it. All you need to do is to click on run. As you can see, when you click on run, you're going to see it's going to disappear. All right, okay, so once you just click here, this is, as you can see, this is written restart app. Just tap on it. It's going to bring this out. Then you're going to click on start. It will automatically start generating your new video. All right, our video is ready. So what you have to do is to select the three dots and select download. After downloading, to preview it, remember you go to app, just tap on app and your video will be displayed here.
I heard that Ugoma is pregnant. Yes, so I heard that too. Our Chi has answered her.
Now I went ahead to press another prompt. As you can see, I'm generating my video. Now let's see the results.
The day is fast approaching. I can't believe it. I made this huge mistake. I should have waited.
Now this is incredible. This is incredible. One of the reasons why I love this tool is because there's no watermark. You can just generate your video and automatically go straight to CapCut or InShot and start editing right away. You don't need to start removing the watermark. Remember, we've used text to video. Now, in order to use your image reference to create a video, what you have to do is to go back again, create new, follow the same procedure. Now, when you create new, you're going to click on generate. When you click on generate, this box will come out. Then you're still going to click on user input. Now, these are the two boxes. Now, this user input should be at the left hand side, while generate should be at the right hand side. Now what I'm going to do is, you see this tiny circle here, you have to click on it and drag it to this point. There should be an interjection between user input and generate. Okay, they are working together. Now the next thing you're going to do is to click on generate. When you click on generate, now you're going to see prompts. This is where you paste your prompts. So whatever thing that is being displayed here, just delete it and paste your. Now this is the prompt which I use. This is the prompt between the husband and wife. All right, and the video description. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on agents. When I click on agents, so I'm going to move over to view, and I move over to view. Now you're going to see advanced settings. Are you seeing advanced settings here? Click on advanced settings and choose click on view 3, choose view 3.1. Then this is where you set your aspect ratio. As you can see, it's boldly written there. Now after this, what I'm going to do next is to click on user input. Click on user input. Remember, these boxes, they have their functions. When you click on generate, it's going to bring out some options, which is view. Then you click on view and choose the model version that you want. Like this one is written model version and I choose view 3.1. Then aspect ratio, you change it.
If you're finding this helpful already, quickly like, share, and subscribe.
Okay, now we are done working with generate video. The boss with generate video. I'm going to click on user input. Now, as you can see, user input has brought its own options. As you can see, this is quite different from generate video. Now, what I'm going to do is to click on any, this drop down icon here in any. When you click on it, you're going to see image. Now you click on image. Remember, we are working with image to video. Now, I know that you'll be wondering, where are we going to add our image? There's an option where we'll add our image. Don't worry about it. Now, once you are done setting up everything, both your aspect ratio and your model and whatever it is, you're going to discover that there is no more interjection between the user input and generate video. All right. As you can see, the generate video, if you look at it very well, you will see that it's displaying red. Okay. It's red. So what you have to do is to still go back. In case yours is no more here, just go back and set up it and drag it to this extreme. Drag it here. All right. So when you drag it now, as you can see, before it was displaying red. The generate video was displaying red, but now it's no more. There's nothing like red again. Okay. So, and then now I'm going to click on preview. Just click on preview. After clicking on preview, the next thing you're going to do is to select start. Now when you click on start, it's going to bring you to this interface. Now this is an option where you upload your image. As you can see, upload your response. Just click on the plus icon. When you click on the plus icon, click on upload from device. Then you click here and select Opal. Now have you seen, this is the reference image that you're going to work with. The reference image is right here now. All right. Now, after everything, all you have to do is to click here and generate. But before then, make sure that there is an interjection between the user input and generate video. All right. Now, I click here and now, as you can see, generate video is generating. Now, you generate 10 videos, 10 to 12 videos on a daily basis. You generate 10 to 12 videos on a daily basis. All right. Now, this is completely free and not paying any time for this. All right. Once your duration is exhausted, all you have to do is just to change your email account. Just to change it and keep on generating. Okay. So that is it. Now let's wait for our video to be ready. As you can see, the video is ready. This is the video. So click on the three dots and download. Now, if you want to see the full preview, just click on the app, and this is it.
You can't tell me, Ugoma, what happened to her? After all the warnings I gave you to wait on God, you went to the meme.
My husband, please. I'm so sorry.
So can you see how beautiful it is? This is completely free. You are not paying for this. So try this out and tell me in the comment section if it worked for you.
Alright, so here's exactly how to create AI videos for free, step by step. And just like that, you can start creating your own AI videos without spending any money. If you found value in this, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. It really helps the channel grow. Drop a comment below. Free AI if you want more videos like this. And also, tell me where you're watching from, I'd love to know. And if you want more step-by-step AI tutorials, I've got more videos waiting for you right here. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to see my next video. See you in the next one.